to know how to pin a post on your Facebook personal account? Then this video is for you. This is a new feature that Facebook has recently rolled out and it's super useful. I am going to show you exactly what you have to do to pin a post on your Facebook personal profile. It's dead easy. After I've shown you how to do this, we'll come back on the big screen and I will tell you how you can use it to your advantage, especially if you are on Facebook for your business. Let's go.
Okay, so here's what you need to do. You need to go to Facebook, of course, click on your personal profile, and then either you write a new post and publish it and then pin it, or you choose an old post and pin it. So I'm going to show you with one of my old posts. So you basically scroll down until you find the post that you want to pin. Be strategic there, right? Select a post that is going to serve you if it's pinned at the top of your profile. Click these three little dots here. And then as you can see, you now have this option, pin post. So you click here, pin post. And now there you go. It's automatically refreshed the page, tells you your post has been pinned. And there you go. This post is now just pinned. This is the first post that people will see when they go and check out my personal profile.
So that was easy, wasn't it? It's a fantastic new feature. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, subscribe to my channel. Now, please make the most of this feature. If you are on Facebook for your business, use a post that is strategic. Be very careful not to put an external link in that post. Don't send people out of Facebook. This will kill your engagement, okay? Facebook hates it. But what you can do is put a call to action. Ask people to comment, to leave a comment. If you are offering a free training, for instance, tell them, comment below, hashtag free training. People will comment, that will boost your engagement, and then you can simply send them your free training, for instance, a link in a personal message. That way you'll know exactly who wants what it is you are offering, who wants a link to your YouTube channel or to your YouTube video or to a free lead magnet or whatever you are offering. You'll know exactly who wants it. You will send them the information and it will not kill your engagement and your reach on Facebook. So really make the most of it. Go and pin that comment. Go and pin that post as soon as you finished watching this video. I do want to add one last thing. You will want to increase the amount of friends daily, of targeted friends that you have daily. Make sure you do that, because the more new friends, new targeted friends you have, of course, the more of them will see that pinned post and the more of them will reach out to you and join whatever it is that you have to offer, okay? So make sure you do this on a daily basis. If you want tools that are going to help you add particular targeted friends who will then be leads of yours on autopilot, then check the link I have in the description. There are tools that will do this for you very efficiently. You will have 50 to 100 new leads a day automatically without you having to do virtually any work whatsoever. And of course, the potential for you then to make more money increases all the time, okay? So I have a ton of Facebook tutorials. Please check my Facebook tutorials playlist if you want to know more about Facebook. If you have any questions, as usual, just drop your questions in the comments below. And if you're interested in using Facebook particularly for your business to make money with your Facebook profile, then I'm sure that you will enjoy this video next. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.